Hello everyone. So in this video, the purpose of this video is to solve the maths problem, which is a very basic math problem. So what I will do is that I will create a video series of NCERT, particularly based on NCERT textbook for mathematics, and I will start from the problems from class 9. And then I will solve 10, 11 and 12. So I will put it in a form of a series where I will solve the exercise problems and I will try to explain how I am solving those. The solutions of these problems are available in the internet, so that's fine. But the problem is that many of the students might not find the solutions helpful because there is no one to explain those problems, or some of them might get stuck even if they know the answer. So to get your concepts clear and to understand the problem properly so that you can solve a different problem of the similar nature, so I will trying to make this kind of videos so that it is helpful for you all. So I'll start with the very first problem of the book from NCERT mathematics, so that is from exercise 1. The problem 1, it goes like this. It's a very simple question, as you know. Is 0 a rational number? So yeah, 0 is a rational number because you know that from the theory of rational numbers, any number which can be written as p by q, where q is not equal to 0, is a rational number, where p can be any number ranging from negative, 0, positive and so on. So you know 0 can be written as 1, not 1, 0 by 5, 0 by 100, 0 by minus 0.5, 0 by minus 7 and so on. So 0 is a rational number, that's true. Let's jump into the second problem. The second problem goes like this: find 6 rational numbers between 3 and 4. So there might be different ways, there might be 1,000 ways, but I will show you a very simple way to find a rational number between any 2 points A and B. Suppose I have a point A and I have a number B. So any number lying in between A and B, let the number be C. So we can write C is equal to A plus B by 2. So in this case, A is 3, B is 4. So C will be 3.5. Now, if I want to find a number between A and C, which let's say is D, so D will be A plus C by 2, which will be 6.5 by 2. So it will be 3.25, something like that. Yeah. So in this way you can go on, you can find a number between A and D, which is as E. So E will be A plus E by 2 and so on, and you go on and go on and go on. Even you can find any number between C and B also. Let it be F, so F will be C plus B by 2. So in this way you can generate infinite number of rational numbers between any two rational numbers. I hope this is clear to you. Okay, so let's jump into the third problem. So in this problem it is asked to find 5 rational numbers between 3 by 5 and 4 by 5. So this is a very interesting problem to understand the concept of fraction. So I have 3 by 5. Now 3 by 5, I can write it as 60 by 100 because I can multiply by 20 on both sides. So similarly 4 by 5, if you multiply by 20, it will be 80 by 100. So 61 by 100, 62 by 100, 63 by 100, maybe 78 by 100 and 79 by 100 all lie between 3 by 5 and 4 by 5, because you know 61 is greater than 60 and 80 is greater than 79. So all these numbers will lie between 3 by 5 and 4 by 5. You can do it in a different way also. So we can do like, it is not necessary to multiply by 20. You have 3 by 5, right? So suppose let me frame this question in a different way. Suppose I'm asked to find 2 rational numbers between 2 by 7 and 3 by 9. How do you do that? So 2 by 7, I can just multiply by 9 on both sides. So I'll get 18 by 63, and 3 by 9, which is 1 by 3. If I multiply by 7 on both sides, no, better multiply by 21 on both sides. So I will get 7 by 63. Okay. Then to find numbers between these two numbers, what we can do is, 7 and 18. So 8 by 63, 9 by 63, 10 by 63, and so on till 17 by 63, all will lie between 2 by 7 and 3 by 9. Even 17.9999 divided by 63 will also lie between 2 by 7 and 3 by 9. This should be clear to you all. Okay, fine. So let's jump into the next problem. It's a true false. Okay, fine. Every natural number is a whole number. Yeah, this is true. I think you know that a whole number is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and all are natural numbers, so it is true. Every integer is a whole number. So if we take -5, it is an integer, but it is not a whole number, so this is false. Every rational number is a whole number. So rational number can be -1, -2, -5 by 3, 0, 1, 2, and so on. But you see that 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 are whole number. That is fine. But -2, -1, -5 by 3 are not whole number. So this is false. This was also false. This was true. So that's it. I've solved the exercise 1 of Ncert Math textbook. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to this channel if you want similar videos, or let me know if you are stuck in some problem. I'll help you out. Thank you.